Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen wa sallallahu ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'een. We have reached ayah number 177 of Surat Al-Baqarah. This is a nice long ayah and we are right here. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ليس البر ليس البر أن تولوا نون ساكنة followed by تا أن تولوا وجوهكم قبل المشرق والمغرب قبل that drops goes straight to the lam قبل المشرق that drops goes straight to the lam والمغرب ولكن نون with a shadda is غنة ولكن البر okay لكن البر من آمن ألف after the hamza, so make sure you say that right. بر من آمن بالله and then that drops goes straight to the lam واليوم that drops goes straight to the lam, there's the sukoon يوم الآخر والملائكة والكتاب. Now I keep saying this but I keep doing it. I can't keep reading that, okay? You got the rule, right? This will always go straight to the lam, so it'll always be like wal malaika, wal kitabi, like that, okay? Wal malaikati wal kitabi wan nabiyina. Okay, so why is it different here? Because wal, you don't say wal because it's a huruf shamsiya, the kind of letters that you just go straight and assimilate to the first letter after the alif lam. Half of the Arabic letters basically do that. وَالنَّبِيِّينَ وَآتَى الْمَالَ عَلَى حُبِّهِ shad on the ba حُبِّهِ ذَوِي and then that drops goes straight to the lam ذَوِي الْقُرْبَى okay ذَوِي الْقُرْبَى وَالْيَتَامَى والمساكين what do you do here? This drops, goes straight to the ba. Wabna. There's a slight qalqala on the ba, letters that you slightly echo it. Wabna, and then nassabili. Sabili, right? Wabna sabili. Wassa. You don't read that, go straight to the scene. What's it called? حروف شمسية والسائلين وفي what do we do here? وفي الرقاب وأقام الصلاة this waw is not read وأقام الصلاة وآتى الزكاة. These waws are not read, and that's because it's a unique textual thing to the Quran only, not necessarily in Arabic language. Salata wa ata zakata والموفون والموفون بعهديهم والموفون بعهدهم إذا عاهدوا والصابرين في we don't say fib, you can kind of tell after a while, just listening and reading Arabic, you can kind of figure it out. في البأساء والضراء. This also drops, goes straight to the ضاد. والضراء وحين البأس. Okay, وحين البأس. It's a good place to kind of, you could rest here slightly, or you can keep reading. وحين البأس أولئك الذين والصابرين في البأساء والضراء وحين البأس أولئك الذين صدقوا وأولئك هم المتقون. والصابرين في البأساء والضراء وحين البأس أولئك الذين صدقوا وأولئك هم المتقون.